Okay, hello students. Now in the previous video we have learned or we get introduction of chapter force and the laws of motion. Now we understand what is force. It is an influence which changes the state of the motion or direction or shape or size of the object. Now in this lecture we are going to understand the types of forces. Okay, there are two types of forces. You can see on the screen there are two types of forces, and this is a screenshot of your NCERT book. So there are two types of forces: balanced and unbalanced force. You can understand it by a simple example as given in your textbook. We can see there is a wooden block on a horizontal table. You can see the table and a wooden block which is placed over it. Now there are two strings tied on the wooden block, a string X in the east direction and a string Y in the west direction. You can understand it by direction also, or left or right also. Okay, now what happened when we pull the string X? The wooden block is at rest. It is placed on the horizontal table, and now it is on rest. Now if we pull the X string with some force, the wooden block starts to move in the direction of X side. Okay, so the wooden block started move in the east side or towards X string. Now if we do not apply any force on X side and we just pull the Y string with some force, what happened to the wooden block? The wooden block gets started moving towards Y direction or west direction. Now, so X, you can see from the direction that X and Y both are in opposite direction. If we apply equal forces from both X and Y side, what will happen to the block? Okay, yes, the block will not move. For example, if we apply 5 Newton of force, you know that force is a vector quantity. It have both direction as well as magnitude, as I have explained earlier. So what happened when you applied 5 Newton of force towards x direction and 5 Newton of force towards y direction? There will be no movement into the block's position. Block will be at rest. Then these forces which were applied are known as balanced forces. Okay, so the forces, or for example we can understand it by as, similarly if we pull the Y string, the block will move towards the left, but if the block is pulled from both the sides with equal forces, the block will not move. Such forces are called balanced forces. Okay, balanced forces are those forces which are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, and it does not change the state of the object, whether the object is in rest or in a uniform motion. Okay.